Hello. Okay, so hopefully you've just seen the general overview video which just describes the new sub-homepage features. What we're going to do in this video is go through the process of adding a new menu item, a new child page to your sub-homepage, and also add a new drop-down menu. Just because I'll be doing this step by step, it takes a bit longer, so I wanted to have a separate video for this. So without further ado, let's jump into the CMS. I'm going to find the page I set up earlier. Okay, so click onto child page menu. So as you can see, I've already set up all these pages. And now what I want to do is I'm just going to add in another standard page that I want to appear after Contact Us. As you know, I want it to appear after drop-down menu here, and then I'm going to add another drop-down menu, so a third drop-down menu. So we're going to click Add Child Page. So after you've added your title, then click on Parent Page. You're going to scroll down and find the sub-home page. So we're going to click that. Then I'm just going to set up a normal standard page layout, and then I click Save. Great. So we've got a draft page set up that's linked to the parent page. So I can go through and add in my hero section details and copy. So I'm just going to keep this very short and sweet. And I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to update the order. So I know this is going to be the 5th item. So I set that to 5, and I'm also going to set it to live straight away, just so I can show you. There we go. So I'm going to click Save. And that's the page set. Then I'm just going to navigate back to the sub page just to see how that looks. So click into child page menu, I scroll down, and yeah, here we go. Here we've got the new page menu in the right place, and I can preview it by clicking the eye icon, or I can go back in and edit it using the pencil icon. So what we're going to do now is take a similar process for adding another drop-down menu. So I'm going to start off again by clicking Add a Child Page. So this is going to be menu 3. And again, I find the same subpage. And this time, I'm going to click Heading for Section in Sub Homepage. So I'm going to save that. So this basically has no content on it. It's literally just creating that drop-down link. So once again, I'm just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to set it to live straight away. The order, so I want this to appear at the end, so I'm going to make this 7. And that all looks fine. So I can save that. So the next step then is adding child pages to this menu item. So that means when I click this drop-down item, any page that is added here will appear in that drop-down list. So this is exactly the same as the process we've just seen. So I'm going to click to add a child page. Title. So this time, when I'm looking for the list, I'm looking for what I've just created, which is drop-down menu 3, and you see in the brackets it's got button heading. So selected that, and this is going to be a standard page again. So I click Save, and once again I'd add my hero section, add in any page content. So I'm just going to skip that and jump to settings. So I'm going to leave the order as 0 because it is going to be the first section, the first page within the drop down. And I'm just going to make it live again as well. And it's going to click Save. Okay, so then once I've got that, you see we've got quick links here again. So I can jump to the parent page if I need to make any changes there. And I can jump to the sub home page here. So I'm just going to jump back here, check how it's looking in the child page menu. So yep, it's the last item, drop-down menu 3 and drop-down menu 1. So that's added, and I can just view the page and see that. So